Jennifer, and I'm here with Juan Fernando with Smile in Cali. And Dr. Juan Fernando has been educated in the US and Europe, and he practices dentistry here in Cali, Colombia, and he's seen thousands of patients over the last 21 or 22 years from the US. So we're here today to talk a little bit about veneers, implants, and other procedures for aesthetics and also maintenance. So the first thing I'd like to go into is, can you tell us what is a porcelain composite veneer and some of the things that the patient can expect when they come here to get that treatment?
Okay, veneers in porcelain or composite both are a really beautiful treatment.
Okay.
It's an aesthetic treatment. This way you can change size, color,
Right.
and shape of their teeth, and you're going to have a really beautiful smile.
Perfect. And how long is the procedure? What can the patient expect when they arrive to your office and get into the chair?
Okay, you want to have a composite veneers. It's going to take about 5 hours.
5 hours?
Yes.
That's fantastic.
Yes, really quick.
That's very fast.
And if you want the porcelain veneers,
The
it's
porcelain.
going to take another date of 5 hours again. So there are
Okay.
going to be 2 dates.
Perfect. And that actually gets me into the next topic of what exactly is a porcelain veneer and the benefit and some of the things that the patient can expect.
Okay. The difference is how much can the veneer be in your mouth. The porcelain could be about 20 years.
So they last for 20 years.
Yes.
Okay.
You only see the statistics.
Aesthetics, yes.
Yes, and so composite has a long period, but porcelain veneer is going to be longer.
Okay.
And the appearance is going to be not too much better, but
Right.
both are really beautiful.
Okay.
Okay.
So the composite lasts for about 10 years or
I think it could be between 5 and 10 years,
Okay.
based on the studies.
Right.
But I have a lot of patients that have the veneers about 10, 12 years ago and are
Yeah.
perfect.
Perfect.
Yes.
So it depends a lot on maintenance and care
Yes.
and everything like that.
Yes.
And so with the porcelain veneers, they're more resistant to staining, right? They don't
Yes.
stain as
They
easily.
don't stain,
Okay.
they don't break.
Wow.
It's a really, you can trust it, yes.
Okay. So what about the more complicated patients that need implants, that need veneers? How can they approach their treatment? Can they receive the veneers in the implants in the same session or over several days?
Yes, depending on the case, you can make the veneers and you can put an implant too and make some temporary crown. It's a screw retained crown, so you could make everything in one trip, but you have to come back to put the final crown on the implant. So it would be better to have you again here.
Okay. Okay. So the patient that needs veneers and implants to beautify their entire mouth, they can go ahead with the porcelain or composite veneers, and then in the same day or in the same 2 days, they can also receive the implants and be able to go back home looking great.
Yes.
Perfect.
Perfect.
That's fantastic. So we were just talking about the benefits of a patient coming to Cali, Colombia for their smile redesign with regard to implants and veneers. So to make their entire smile beautiful, they would get the veneers, and then you can put the implant in place, which also is the most expensive part, right? It's the most time consuming and the most expensive. And so it's very beneficial for a patient to come here to do that first dramatic part.
Yes.
And so tell us a little bit about the material you use for the implants and how the patient can then recover and go get a crown in the US after they recover.
Yes. The implants, there is an implant here. There is a brand from Birmingham, Alabama. It's from the United States.
Okay.
It's a really good factory.
Right.
And what we are going to do in the first step of the treatment is to put the implant and put the temporary crown but implants needs second stage, second step.
Right.
So patients should go to the United States again and come back, or could be the second part of the treatment in the United States.
Okay,
And it's going to
perfect.
be a perfect match with everything you can get there.
Wonderful. So essentially you're saying that if a patient comes here to save the time and the money for their veneers and their implants,
Yes.
you can put the implant in and the material you use is made in the US, so they can
Perfect.
go after 5 or 6 months after their implants heal and simply get a crown in the US.
That's it.
Perfect. That's fantastic.